I'm back with the Facebook Marketplace $0 to $1,000 challenge. What's up guys, it's now a couple days ago since the last video. I posted the last video on Monday, I believe it was. Today it is Friday. It's Valentine's Day, it's a big day. So let me just tell you real quick where we left from the last challenge video. The last challenge video I sold those wheels. That was the absolute first item I put up for sale and I made $175. Now the reason behind this video series, as I've mentioned before, is how we can go from absolutely $0, like $0, right? You're not going to spend a dime on a product, you're not going to spend a dime on marketing, $0. And not even doing drop shipping, meaning that we are limited, right? We only have, like, for example, one product here. We can't just sell multiple of them, right? We can't just put up a drop shipping store and then go out there, do some free trafficking, put it up on eBay. The challenge here is Facebook Marketplace, and here you can't really drop ship at all. So this is also the intriguing part about it, because alone this will relate to so much more people out there. And what would you do with an extra $1,000? That would actually change a lot, probably, right? The next product I wanted to sell before I went out to buy something was my PlayStation 3. I had a PlayStation 3, I haven't been using for years now, and I figured I want to sell that. Now they don't go for that much these days, and just because there's even newer PlayStation 3s, the PlayStation 4s, Xboxes, and all of that. But I figured there still have to be some interest out there. So the number one thing I'm focusing on when I'm selling things like that, except the wheels, is making a bundle, right? So with the PlayStation, it's perfect to make a bundle. So I had the PlayStation, I had all the cables that you could need for it. I had 7 games and I had 3 controllers. That's a pretty damn good bundle. So now the person who's gonna buy it, they have games enough, they have controllers enough, straight out the package, buy it, and they're ready to go with the pals, the guys, to just play. So what I did 2 days ago, I put this item up for sale. 2 or 3 days ago. The first day went slow, nothing got through. And then yesterday somebody wrote to me, right? He came with an offer. I met him at the middle and he's gonna come and pick it up today. So this is actually just to show you the power of Facebook Marketplace. It's been up for a couple days. Well, the second day it got sold. The wheels, they got sold on the first day. So it goes like this, right? Now I'm not gonna make much of those at all. I think I'm gonna make like $65, $70, but it's all gonna add up. Here's the plan for now. Right now, in a small bit, I'm gonna drive home. I'm gonna restore the PlayStation. I'm gonna make it look good. I'm gonna prep it and get it ready for someone to come and buy it and pick it up. What's up, guys, and welcome back. Now it's way later. It's actually at night. It's Valentine's Day / night. So that's why I'm in a cold right now. I've been so busy. It's gonna be fun for my girlfriend to watch this video though. But hey, here's the fact of the matter. Last clip I talked about that I wanted to show you guys the PlayStation, the product, the second product I've been selling. It's gone. It's already sold. The guy who came in and bought it all happened so quick. I just forgot about actually filming, because what I needed to do, as I also mentioned, that I actually needed to make sure that the product works good. And here we got some of the profits. The goal is to hit 1,000 only using Facebook Marketplace and actually physical products. If this was dropshipping, we would have reached that goal quicker, but this right here is so far straight profit. So what are we gonna do now? Buying low, selling high. So what do you do? Like, you maybe ask yourself, well, how can I buy a product out there and then sell it for more if they can't sell it for more? Well, there's a couple variations, right? Some people, I'm just gonna put the camera up here. Some people just wanna get rid of the product, right? Or some people just don't know how to take good enough images, make the product look good and go out there. But the fact of the matter is that, or they just don't want to refurbish it, make it better. The fact of the matter is, most people are just average when it comes to things like this. They're not going to get into it, they just want to get rid of it, they may be lazy, it's fine. If you have to just do a little bit more, you can make more money. And once you start making those profits, once you can actually sell these products, you just get excited because you're making money, right? So it's going to be super awesome. So I can't wait to show that with you guys. But this video is simply just about now. So the second product is going to be super awesome. The next video I'm going to make is probably going to be around tomorrow or here in the weekend at some point. I'm going to talk about and show you screen on screen actually me finding products that I'm going to sell. I'm going to search strictly on Facebook Marketplace, but I'm also going to show you how we can search on other places to find great deals, but I think we can find a good enough deal on Facebook Marketplace. So that video is going to be super exciting because you can see how it all looks, how I get in touch with these guys, how I get the price down, and what I do. So it's going to be super exciting. And what I like to do, since I actually like that I get in cash, because I can keep it in one place, and when I go out there and buy them, it's just easier to give cash out. And you can have control of it in that way. So I'm going to be super excited. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Go down, leave a subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I know we are in different time zones. So you want to make sure you get this video. And if you like this video, and if you've already tried it, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are so far of the process you're in, and leave a like. That will mean a lot to me. I can't wait to see you in the next video where we actually go to the Facebook Marketplace app. It's going to be super awesome. Other than that, have a great Valentine's Day and a great weekend, and be great, guys.